Hey, Rodney Walker here with Grant Center USA with a question for you. Is your board operating illegally? Yeah, illegal. You see, every board has what's known as bylaws, which basically states by law, this is how we will operate. But one thing I found oftentimes with a lot of nonprofits, their boards are oftentimes unaware of the bylaws. And so, in essence, they are operating illegally because they don't even know what legally they're supposed to be doing in some cases. And I want to help you to do a better job with your board and really to lay a solid foundation that allows it to actually thrive. So how can you do this? Well, I've actually prepared a free training that's designed to help you to take your board to the next level so that you can lay a solid foundation. So if you'll go over right now to nonprofitboardtraining.com, there's a link here or over there on the side somewhere where you can actually sign up. And in this training, I'm going to help you to lay a solid foundation. I'm going to share with you the 5 keys that you need to lay this foundation. And we're going to be laying a foundation so that your organization can begin to thrive. Too many nonprofits have been hindered, they're stuck, they haven't been doing the necessary things they need to do in order to thrive. I want to share those with you so that you can actually thrive. And so sign up right now. I'll see you real soon. Below on the side, sign up, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.